It was a great thing, I think, very clever, very focused. It's the time to punish the wrong people, the bad people.
It shows deep into the Hezbollah organization.
It was a great thing, I think, very clever, very focused. It's the time to punish the wrong people, the bad people.
What I think is that Israel proved again that our imagination is endless. We can hit and get our enemies anytime. And but the problem is, it's something that they never learn, and they'll continue with their agenda to destroy the state of Israel.
I think we're in a war for almost a year, and we're in a war for 70 years. So something needs to happen, and if it's going to be hard, we will be there and we'll wait until it will end.
It was a great thing, I think, very clever, very focused, and I thank God that it happened. It's the time to punish the wrong people, the bad people, the ignorant people.
Well done to the army. Feels like finally the army are doing something to return all the residents of the north back to their homes, and may this be not the first, but definitely on our way to getting our country back to how it was.
It was very nice operation. Of course, the organizations that made this operation have a lot of abilities, have very, very good intelligence and operation abilities, and it shows deep into the Hezbollah organization. This operation, as I understand it, made to be start of war, and I think that it's made out because it was necessary to bring it out yesterday, and not because that was a real time to do it. I think something made the operation made faster or not in the time that the operation need to be.